It was obvious to everyone that the presidential order appointing the Prime Minister's advisor on finance as a member of the 10th National Finance Commission and authorizing him to preside over the deliberations of the NFC in the absence of the Premier, who also holds the finance portfolio, would not withstand judicial scrutiny. The advisor's appointment as a stand-in for the Federal Minister for Finance and the illegal TORs seeking to slash provincial shares from federal tax resources anticipated political opposition and legal challenges. Therefore, the Balochistan High Court decision last week invalidating Hafiz Sheikh's appointment for being unconstitutional was not a surprise, nor did the ruling against the agenda other than determination of the vertical and horizontal division of tax resources between the center and provinces set in the notification that constituted the new commission shock anyone. The President of Pakistan and NFC are bound to fully implement the Constitution. Hence, the federal and provincial governments should utilize joint efforts in order to strengthen the federation rather than racing for a major share of NFC, the court ruled. The PTI government has seldom tried to conceal its dislike of devolution of administrative powers to the provinces under the 18th Amendment or their greater fiscal space under the 7th NFC, which continues to operate despite the expiry of its 5-year term in 2015. It was not expected. The increasing expenditure, especially on account of debt payments and internal and external security and shrinking tax collections, have widened the resource gap in the past 2 years.